Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Hope you are all safe and sound at home by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to my digital class. I am Marufa Sultana, assistant teacher in English, Rangpur Government Girls High School. This is English second paper class for class 6. Our today's lesson is prepositions part 3. So let's move. Learners, in my previous class, I talked about some rules of preposition. Today, I am going to talk about preposition of place. Preposition of place express the relationship of noun or pronoun with location. Today, I am going to talk about some rules of preposition. First one is above. Dear learners, both above and over indicate in a higher position, but there are some differences when using them in a sentence. Let's now see the definition for these two prepositions and how to use them. First one, the sky is above us. Here you can see that sky is higher than us and not touching. Number two, there is a shop above this floor. Here, above is used in higher position. Above can sometimes have the same meaning as over, but above is usually something that is higher than something else and not touching. For example, he lives above me. This means that his apartment is located on the top of my apartment. Dear learner, let's see how we can use preposition over in a sentence. Over also means in a higher position, above someone or something, without touching each other. It is also used to indicate movement across the space above someone or something. For example, number 1, they held a large umbrella over her. Number 2, the plane is flying over the sky. Now, dear learners, you can see that how we can use preposition under in a sentence. Preposition under is used to show something is placed under another thing when something is lesser than the required level. Number 1, she is sleeping under the tree. Number 2, the book is under the table. Dear learners, let's see how we can use preposition since in a sentence. It is used from a certain period of time till now. In preposition since can be used in the past and present time, not in the future time. This is the beginning of the event. For example, I am playing football since morning. Number 2, I am working in this office since 2001. You can see it is starting from 2000 on till now. I have been working in this company. It starts past continue in the present time. Dear learners, let's see how we can use preposition for and from in a sentence. Preposition for is used to show a certain duration. For example, I am reading for 2 hours. Here, preposition for is used before a certain duration 2 hours. Number 2, the exam was conducted for 2 hours. Here, preposition for is used before 2 hours. Let's see preposition from. It is used to talk about origins, sources, and starting points. For example, I am from the USA. Number 2, he brought a book from the library. Dear learners, preposition below is used at a lower level than something. For example, fishes are below the water. Number 2, The water level is below the maximum level mark. Dear learners, now your task is to complete the following sentences with prepositions. Just pause the video and bring out your copy. I think you have completed the answer. I am going to provide you the answer. Let's move. Dear learners, just check your answer with me. Dear learners, now take your homework. Your task is to fill in the blanks of the following text. Thanks for watching my class. Stay home and stay safe.